All right, everybody, we're back here in almost June, and we just had a storm pass through here. Just absolutely crazy yesterday coming down here. The massive amounts of flooding and down I-5, it was just absolutely crazy. And unfortunately, the outer track is completely soaked, so we're mud bogging out all day. But we've had a great day so far. In the riders meeting, we'll let people know, man, if you go off track, you are in the mud. So people have been taking it pretty easy. So that's been pretty nice. It's been a very, very easy day. So this is my first session of the day. I'm gonna be out on the Sriracha bike. Usually I kind of start out on like the R3 or the start on this, but I haven't been riding this bike as much as I love it. So I'm gonna ride this bike as much as possible. I've got some great news for you guys about the 2020 S1000. I don't know, am I gonna share it in this video? Let's see what happens out there. I might share my 2020 S1000 order and what's going on with it, but it's soon. So unfortunately I have some limitations of space with what bikes to bring, so I might not be able to bring this bike anymore, because I'm surely gonna have to bring that bike to the track. And I love the other S1000, so it's gonna be one of those things. But we've got a beautiful day, All right, let's get some heat in the tires. Acceleration and brake. Acceleration and brake. Up, and we got a little runner. Oh no, don't do it. Oh, it's mud out there. Look at him. You can see all the mud flinging up. All right, let's get on track. Saw some people coming up behind me, so get on a little. Now, we're running this configuration a little bit different than last time. We're running the opposite direction, aren't we, guys? And there's no sweeper. I've never ridden the track in this configuration, so we're gonna learn this track together. Kind of a tight turn there. Out to the outer apex. Onto the acceleration. I can see how that can be fun. So that's called the Mazda turn. And then up to Phil Hill. We're on our outlap, so we're gonna take it a little easy. So we are running in the counterclockwise direction. So we're going backwards from the last videos. And the last videos, when we came through here, we came out of what they call the dog leg. And the dog leg was straight ahead. We're no longer straight ahead. We're going into what they call the bus stop. And then back up here to the straight. So what this configuration is race configuration 1 with Buttonwillow. And we've added the 2 end sections, which is basically the biggest track that Buttonwillow could be. So I've never ridden this configuration. in reverse. So it's like I'm like in a whole new track right now. I should have probably come out in the C group, but I don't think I'm holding too many people up. All right, so that's a little different. Not bad though. All right. Now this corner always got me running in the reverse direction. All right, let's get up to speed. So we've got some heat in our tires. Let's get going. S's, as always. I always talk about this. Kind of straight through. And then the end, we would normally take a left here on the sweeper. So let's see, we're gonna hit this cone, head out on the brakes. I think I needed to bring on the brakes a little bit more to grab that. I got no one behind me. Or not, nobody knocking on my door at least. Hill here. I should have come out on the MT-09. Probably would have been more comfortable, understanding the track better, but it's all right. Yeah, it's always fun learning a new track, huh? And what's crazy is, I know the Buttonwillow track pretty well, but I haven't ridden reverse too many times, so that's one thing that's new. And then those extra A sections we're learning, the A section and the Mazda turn. So both are a little bit new to me. And back up. So we would generally have taken our left. And he's exiting. Okay, all right. It's kind of weird. Kind of weird. And checker flag. All right, so quick learn of the track. Let's call this a learn of the track. Back through the S's. So I think I need to be on the brakes out here, and then in, get the bike turned, and then out. A little, oh, I'm gonna have to work on that one, guys. This one's all right. Come on that one. No, we gotta come down on this one. It's good. Back on the accelerator. I could have gone out a little wider on that one, but it's comfortable how tight I took it. And I've been taking this one kind of tight, so I'm gonna go mid-track now. See, I should be a little bit further out there, guys, but it's all right. All right. Back up on traffic. All right, guys. So we'll call that a quick learning session. I too have to learn. I would say I was running, I was able to get a good B- pace, which we're in the B- group. But I think I'm going to sit out the B+ group, get back out in the C group with the MT-09, because I'm not as comfortable. I feel more comfortable on the MT-09. The MT-09 is bigger bar, so I can take these corners a little bit better. Get our hand up. Oh, we got a little crowd behind us. So we'll call this a quick learning session. And for you guys that know, you know, the pace that I usually run, that was obviously a super slow pace for me. But I gotta get down the track. I gotta understand the track. I gotta learn the track. I gotta know what's going on out the track, right? Because if I don't, there's a couple corners I could have had very, very, very bad. It could have been a very bad situation out there. So, so I think I'm going to go back out in the C group on the MT-09. So stay tuned for that video. But I think this is going to just be a short little 10-minute how we learn the track. Learning the track, baby. So thank you guys for watching the quick little video. We're back at home base. Back at home base. And I'm going to park the Gixxer. And we'll be back on the MT-09. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, hit me a comment. Is there something you guys want to learn from me? Is there something maybe I can teach you? I've got a plethora of bikes. I haven't gotten into the BMW, so you'll have to hit that subscribe button, smash that bell button, because I'm going to talk about the 2020 S1000 in one of these videos, guys. But there's our learning of the new configuration, race configuration 1 with the A section at Buttonwillow with Cali Track Days. Smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, hit me a comment. Till next video, guys. We'll see you then.